Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to open and close tabs on your Mac, whether you're using Google Chrome, Safari, or even Finder. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thanks. Alright, let's dive in. Let's say you're using Google Chrome, but this works the same way in most browsers. To open a new tab, use the shortcut, Command+T. Just press that, and a new tab will instantly appear. You can press Command+T as many times as you like to open multiple tabs. To close a tab, the shortcut is Command+W. This will close the currently active tab. You can keep hitting Command+W to close others one by one. If you prefer not to use shortcuts, you can also go to the top menu bar. Click File, then select New Tab or Close Tab from the drop-down. You'll see the keyboard shortcuts listed next to those options too. Now, if you want to completely quit the browser, go to the top left and click Chrome, then click Quit Google Chrome, or simply press Command+Q. That will close the entire app and all open windows, and that's it. Now you know how to open, close, and manage tabs on your Mac like a pro. If this helped you out, hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm always here to help.